In a sunny meadow, 7 joyful animals, rabbit to whale, begin their magical day of play. I love to hop, hop, hop. Can you jump like me? Don't stop. Let's count my jumps. 1, 2, 3. Jump with me, wild and free.
I swim and splash in the deep blue sea. Blow water high. Wee, wee, wee. Can you make a splash sound too? Let's go whoosh like whales do.
I swing and climb, I'm never slow. From tree to tree, I go, go, go. Can you swing your arms like me? Let's be monkeys. 1, 2, 3.
Ba, ba, ba. I sing so sweet. My wool is soft, a cozy treat. Can you say ba with me today? Let's sing together. Ba, ba, yay.
Meow, meow. I tiptoe light. I chase my friend with all my might.
Woof woof, I run so fast. Catch me quick or I'll dash past.
Clip clop, clip clop. I gallop proud. My hooves go thump. I neigh out loud. Let's ride together. Hold on tight. Gallop into the sunset light.
What a day with animal friends. Learning, laughing, fun never ends. Wave goodbye, say see you soon. Under stars and a silver moon.